Hey followers, okay. And just an update on this Yamaha F25. What am I doing with it? As you can see, I put the original intake back on. I got tired of the intake noise. I patched up the holes that I cut in. I'll live with the performance loss. One of the problems I was having is the handle was vibrating, and what I found was, if you look down here, the little Phillips head screw there, my screw is completely out. So I tightened that screw back up, and it stiffened it up considerably. But then I noticed there's a little spring in here. The spring was compressed too much, so I stuck a little spacer in the spring. So if your handle is vibrating too much, you might want to check that little screw. Otherwise, if your other handle, if that doesn't solve the issue, pull this piece back here, and underneath there will be a 14mm jam nut and a nut. That'll allow you to tighten the whole handle itself so it doesn't vibrate. If you're noticing the two wires here, I added a tach to it, an external tach. Mind you, the little Chinese digital tach works, but I wanted a real tach mounted on the side. So let me show you how this works. Is you've got a signal wire and a power wire here. There's a green wire that already comes from Yamaha. That's your tach signal. You can tap it into any gauge. I've got a Mercury gauge here, so I'm going to ground this gauge. You'll see. I added a light to let me know, but any gauge should work. I've got it set to 6 pulses there. I don't know if you can see, but that's what it takes to get a tach off this F25. Hopefully that helps you. I'll put some more details in the description here.